guys, so I'm on my way to Foodhall for my first ever Keto Masterclass, and it's just my luck that my voice is completely shot, as you might be able to hear. I've had a bad throat for a couple of days and now it's not healed fully, so it's going to be interesting. But yeah, look forward to it. I'll check in with you guys later. We've just reached Palladium and Mumbai is noisy, as you can hear. And yeah, see you guys inside. Okay, so I just got done chatting with the sous chef. I have a sous chef, can you believe it? And I'm just gonna walk around and look and see what's there. They've already sorted out my ingredients and my voice is going. I'm in trouble. So I'm gonna shut up now and just walk around. See, my cough is not getting better and I'm about to start now in like I think 10-15 minutes, and I'm having a quick coffee black and trying to soothe my throat. So I'm going to be cooking up a couple of keto recipes today, and I'll be showing you the process. Very weird for me because I'm a musician actually. Here I am in Foodhall talking to a bunch of keto people. There's a lot of, again, varying theories on this, but largely if you eat too much, you're going to be fat, no matter what food you're eating. I want to quickly get an idea, how many of you are actually meat eaters here? Yes! We're going to go with a Mexican flavored burger. It's a pity that we live in India where avocados are expensive. It's like one kidney here, one kidney here. Sai,
so how many avocados do you eat in a week?
I eat 1 in 6 months because that's all I can afford.
I think that's so exciting.
I thought you said tofu already. Wait, so this I'm basically making a spread. Excellent. So this is basically portobello mushroom. We're going to make a mushroom pizza out of this. Keto coffee mug cake. It looks so ugly. Let me cover it. And you know what? In case it runs out, I'll make another one also.
Is it just right once?
Yes. I feel like 5 of them.
Wow.
Like I said, I'll make another one if I have to.
Thank you very much.
It might just reach. I think we'll just about make it.
The last number gets it. Whatever is left.
Oof, can you believe that it's just right? It is well now. There's something that's left.
Let's see if it was good or just faking it.
Yeah.
And the workshop was a success! So many people actually watch me cook. Say hi once more because it's time.
Yeah, it's doable. The most important thing is it's doable. It gives you confidence that you can kind of transition into a keto lifestyle. So I enjoyed it. You gotta see it live, how it boosts things up. It's fun.
This was so good.
The pizza was too good.
Yeah, like all the non-vegetarian stuff was great and so was the veg stuff.
There should be a veg one next time and non-veg one separate.
Yeah, actually. So that they're not cribby, you know. Like this jibber jabber is never enough.
Like
if you guys get the reference.
I came only for the food, but I learned something too.
Yeah, and like I'm a big fan of it.
Sahil is too good. I watched all his recipes and I tried to make it. Yeah, the latest one I made was keto boa. It was awesome, and I'm gonna try this sub soon and everything else. And I'm a big fan. I watch all of it.
Yeah, I love the workshop, and I'm not into keto, but I just saw Sahilji's channel and the interesting recipes and got attracted to what is keto, and that's why I came to his workshop, and it's really loving it, and the taste and the healthy, it's awesome.
So I have been watching Sahil from right from the beginning, even before I started keto. It's his videos that inspired me and motivated me to start keto, because I knew there's someone out there posting videos to make sure that I can be fed. And after watching him all this time on YouTube, it was really nice seeing him in person and watch and be able to taste the recipes that he is putting.
And he makes it really good food. I love it.
And eating, no doubt at all.
And he's even more splendid personally. I mean, guys, you should visit any next event he conducts. I mean, seriously, I can vouch for it.
My time to go shopping and buy some stuff. Over and out, my voice is surviving and we are alive.